आज मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही, सो गेट रेडी विथ मी वेल आई प्ले विथ सम मेकअप। आज बहुत ही लो स्टेक्स दिन है बिकॉज इट्स अ संडे मॉर्निंग एंड नो बेटर टाइम देन राइट नाउ टू प्ले विथ सम न्यू मेकअप टूल्स। मैं आज दो टूल्स ट्राई आउट करूँगी। वन इज़ अ सिलिकॉन eyeliner tool and one is the flat glass skin foundation brush. So you'll see me do a very basic little makeup, some primer, very little eyeshadow all over the eyes, and then we'll talk about the tool. So अभी से शुरू करते हैं before the video gets away from me. The eyeliner tool is actually supposed to be an assistive tool for those people जिनके हाथ stable नहीं है, थोड़े से shaky हैं, but that's not why I got it. I'm already comfortable after so many years of doing eyeliner with a regular brush. But gel liner को brush से clean करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा लगता है मुझे. I hate it. So I wanted something silicone. So that's what I've got over here. I got this on Amazon. I'm not sure ये किसने बनाया है originally, but I don't think कि 180 रुपीज़ का ये tool कोई original tool है. यहाँ पे I've just picked up a little bit of black or brown gel liner, but and I'm applying it straight across. यहाँ पे मैं इसको टाइट लाइन कर रही हूँ एंड इट वाज रियली इजी टू डू दैट. यहाँ पे मैं अब काजल के तरह इसको अक्रॉस द लोअर वाटर लाइन लगा रही हूँ एंड यहाँ पे मैं एक छोटा सा विंग करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. इन सभी चीज़ों में द विंग वॉज द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट. नाउ कमिंग टू फाउंडेशन, दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टूल आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई आउट टुडे. ये मार्स का है. अगेन आई डोंट थिंक this is like the original first time anyone used this brush. No, I think Mars duped it, but Mars has been coming out with really affordable, good quality brushes. And the moment I saw this, I knew I wanted to try it. इसका idea ये है कि it works like a spatula and it deposits a very thin layer of foundation. So I'm using one of my medium to high coverage foundations with this, and actually application काफ़ी smooth थी. Now I wasn't sure कि contour या other types of cream products के लिए brush कैसा रहेगा, and I didn't want to have a very thin line of contour and try to work with that. तो मैंने directly contour मुंह पे लगा लिया with the wand, like with the applicator, and now I'm trying to use this brush to blend. It's okay. उतना मज़ा नहीं आया contour blend करने में, except for the nose contour के लिए this was amazing, amazing. Just look at how good that comes out. For foundation actually काफ़ी amazing था. You guys know मुझे बहुत ही thick foundation की लेयर उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती. So एक thin layer, sort of sheer, but actually looked really beautiful. Then and because layer itni thin thi, I didn't need to set it with powder. So I just went on ahead with some bronzer and blush. I skipped the highlight. Quickly I did my makeup and it looked pretty good, I think. For me ये दोनों tools काफ़ी अच्छे रहे हैं and I'm going to use them repeatedly. You're going to see more and more of this. The best part of the eyeliner tool was I can use my gel liner in my waterline like a kajal, and of course it's easy to clean, which I was sure it was. Then oh by the way यहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि मेरा मेकअप हो गया because my eyeliner looked so good, and then मुझे याद आया कि oops mascara लगाना भूल गई. So I went back and I did my mascara and then I tried to take these shots again. You'll see in a minute. So yeah, that's the best part about the eyeliner tool, and the best part about the foundation brush is how thin a layer it does. So I don't actually have to put on a sheer foundation all the time. I can use all types of foundations that I have and it should work with any of them. खैर आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you for watching.